Here's a nutshell of the assignments that you have to do in English 099 and English 101 this week. So by Monday, October 11th, you are going to upload the counter argument and rebuttal paragraphs for feedback. So that is exactly what you may also end up using for your outline, because you're doing a full sentence outline. However, the paragraphs are going to look more like standard paragraphs, while the outline is formatted with Roman numerals and letters for each sentence or each part of each paragraph. So it's the same content. Don't overthink it when you are changing the formatting. But the idea is that you will continue to make revisions every time you look at the information again, because you can always find maybe a little better way to say something, or just the right word to use, or maybe you have realized that you're not formatting something correctly, like source integration, all those pesky little details of MLA format. So take a look at any videos that I have posted for you. This one goes over a sample counter argument and rebuttal paragraph section of an argumentation essay. And you can just use that as your guide. Make your own template out of it if you would like. And do use the quote burger colors. So that's Monday. By Tuesday, you are going to upload the argumentation essay draft and send it to Upswing for feedback. And I have a link to Upswing here. I also have something that you can copy and paste. When you upload to Upswing, you could copy this and you could paste it into your Upswing place where it tells you where you can. So if you sign in, I'll show you the place to paste that in. So when you go to upload an assignment for review, it says describe the instructions. You could paste that in there, okay? Then they will know. And then you can put your own specific things that you want help with as well. So that's a little different than maybe what you have done before when you are uploading to Upswing. Just because I want to make sure that you get every part of the essay done correctly as far as content goes. You also have a video quiz in English 101 about source integration. It's very important to get those details right. All right, now let's look at what's due Wednesday in 099. Wednesday in 099, you have a SAM student handout quiz. The SAM student handout I have linked here so you can open it and print it. And of course, it is in your content, in the Writing Center formatting samples, writing resources, and MLA documentation, including the SAM student handout. This is a guide that we use at Wallace State for all of our English classes. So print it, keep it, use it for all of your English classes. This quiz will help you identify how to navigate using the SAM student handout, because it's kind of a lengthy handout, and I'm just going over some of the items that you will especially need for English 101, and then you'll continue to use more of those resources for later English classes. All right, let's see what's due Thursday, October 14th in English 101. Your Pulse review is due in English 101, so write 150 to 200 words, 1 or 2 paragraphs to explain what you enjoyed most about Pulse. If you are unable to attend, you can access the academic keynote speaker there. There's more Pulse online information that you can find using the method demonstrated in this video. All right, so Thursday, you are still going to be waiting for your feedback from Upswing. Do go ahead and check Upswing for your feedback on Thursday, and if you have not gotten feedback by Thursday, go ahead and send it again, or contact the tutoring lab, and I'll add those details in here to Thursday's activities. All right, that's all you have to do this week. If you want to know when the due date is for the actual finished revision of your argumentation essay, it is as scheduled from the beginning of the class, October 19th. You're going to turn in your upswing feedback with comments, or the draft with upswing comments and your own comments about what you learned from that tutoring experience, and your final revision. Those will be 2 separate links. So that'll be due next Tuesday. All right, email me or come by my office if you have any questions.